Well, hello, my friends. We are working so hard, and I want to hear nice and loud. What color are we staying in? Is it going to be red, yellow, or green? Can I hear everyone all together? That's right. I want everyone to stay in the green. Okay, so we have to put on our listening ears and pay attention because I don't want anyone to miss anything. All right, here's my first question. Who can recall or remember what we've been discussing this week? I don't want to hear calling out now. Remember when I ask a question and I ask for a hand up, that's what I want to see. I'm going to ask the question again. Who can recall or remember what we've been talking about this week? I love all the hands raised in front of me. All right, my friend Manny, can you tell me and the rest of your friends what we've been talking about? That is correct. I thank you so much for saying that so beautifully and for sharing the information with our friends. We have been talking about the five senses. And the five senses, as our friend Manny shared with us, helps us to learn about ourselves and the world around us. All right, here we go. Question number two. Remember, no calling out. We're going to raise our hands. Can someone name what body part is associated or connected to our sense? Hands raised. And remember, Jeanette, I see you struggling a little bit with your paper. If you can't see what's on the screen, please look at your paper and use your ruler to follow along, okay? Excellent. Good girl. All right. Hands raised. Jeanette, do you want to try? Excellent. Yes. Our eyes, we see. Excellent. Our ears, we hear or we listen. Good. Our sense of touch, we can use our hands or our whole body. Fantastic. That's yes. Our nose, we smell. Unless you're like Miss Maureen, who has allergies, and it's a little hard to smell, but you're right. And what's the last one? Can somebody help her? We did eyes, ears, no. Manny, did you want to help her? Raise your hand, please. Yes. Our mouth. We could say, yes, we could say our mouth or our tongue, and we taste. Excellent. So some of you have this paper in front of you, correct? And others are going to look together with me. Let's see how we use our senses. We use our senses. There are things in the woods. How many of you have ever gone into the woods? Can you make a connection? Raise your hand. Yes, Billy? Wow, that sounds like fun. Billy went to the woods and camping with his Boy Scout troop. Great job. We can learn what it is in the woods. We can use our senses. We can hear birds in the woods. What sense did we use when we were hearing the birds in the woods? Please keep your hands raised, no calling out. Mary, we use our eyes? Let me ask the rest of my friends. Should Mary get a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Maybe like this, we're not sure. Oh, you want to change your answer? That's fine. And you are correct. It's okay. You changed your answer, and that's right. We use our ears to hear the birds in the woods. We can smell flowers in the woods. What sense are we using to smell the flowers in the woods? Raise your hand. Jeanette, you'd like to try again? Excellent. You are a rock star. We're using our nose. Fantastic. We can touch the trees in the woods. What sense are we using? Ricky. Correct. We can use our hands. Very good. Our sense of touch. We can taste a nut in the woods. So we're using our sense of taste. We're tasting a nut. What are we using? Michelle? That's correct. Our mouth or our tongue, that's where our taste buds are. So we can taste a nut in the woods. We can see a deer in the woods. What sense are we using now? Shirley? Correct. We are using our eyes or our sense of sight to see the deer in the woods. We can use our senses to learn. And again, we use our senses to learn about ourselves, what we like, what we don't like, and we learn about the world around us. You guys did fantastic. Now, let's just go over and review these questions. Some of us got them right last time. Let's see if we can get them all correct today. 5 senses questions. Let's see. The boy was in the garden and used his sight to look at the butterflies. What did the boy see? Raise your hand and tell me, what should I click and drag to make the question correct? Did he see butterflies? Did he see a dog barking? Or did he see cotton candy? Now remember, when we're answering a question, sometimes we have to reread. So let's go back and make sure we get the right answer. The boy was in the garden and used his sight to look at the butterflies. What did the boy see? I want to see hands up. Oh, Manny, you are ready. You are correct. He did see the butterflies. I'm going to drag them over and let's see if you are right, Manny. You're a rock star. The girl used her ears to listen to the dog barking outside. What did the girl hear? Do I need to read it again? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Oh, we got all the answers. I see lots of hands. Okay, Shirley, what did the girl use her ears to listen to? Correct. We heard the dog barking. Let's move the dog over here. Are we right? Woohoo! The girl touched the fluffy cloud with her hands. What did the girl touch? Cotton candy? That can be fluffy. A butterfly? Or a cloud? Who remembers? Who was listening? Mike, did you have your hand up? You want to try? Yes, honey, it was a cloud. Let's double check. Let's drag it in and click submit. Fantastic. The boy enjoyed eating the cotton candy. What did the boy eat? Did the boy eat butterflies? Did the boy eat cotton candy? Did the boy eat flowers? That was a simple one. He ate cotton candy. Let's submit. The girl liked to smell the fresh flowers. What did the girl like to smell? You tell me, raise your hand and you tell me. I'm not going to read them. I want you to look at the choices and you tell me. Anybody? Yes, Samantha. Excellent. The fresh flowers. Let's move them and submit. We did such a great job. We got 5 out of 5. Give yourselves a high fives up here. Woohoo! Down low. Woohoo! To the side. Woohoo!